Hi, it's Russell Cummings here. A bit of a chest infection. I'm really sorry about the croaky voice. I just want to talk you through how you use Zoom, your mobile phone, Zoom on your mobile phone to participate in a meeting. And the first thing you need to do is download a copy of Zoom and install it on your phone. Really simple, relatively simple process. You either go to the App Store if you're an iPhone user, or you go into the jungle or somewhere. I don't know where you go if you're an Android user. There'll be some Google Marketplace or somewhere you can go to, and then you download and install Zoom. And then you've got two options. If you've got Zoom already open, then we can just go here. So we open Zoom. This is what it looks like. So Zoom just sits there, so it's meet and chat, it's ready to go, okay? And then you don't have to do this first because it'll automatically open the app if you've got it installed. But if you go to an email that we will send you, an invitation that you'll get, where it's got this Zoom link, you just simply click on the Zoom link, and then it will load Zoom for you. So there you've got it in the camera. So you'll see there's some controls down the bottom of the screen here. And if I just tap on those again, you'll see you can mute your microphone. Often when you join a meeting, you may be muted already, and that's just so if you've got 20 or 30 people on the call, that that the background sound from you talking and coughing and people walking past or whatever, the coffee machine in the background or something, doesn't interfere with the meeting, because your microphone will pick up everything and transfer it to everybody. So often they will mute only everybody except for the people that are speaking or presenting at that meeting. So anyway, so you can mute, you can stop your video if you want to. So it just goes to a lovely photo of me there, the smarmy little photo. And you can start your video again just by touching that. So you might want to shut your video down for some reason. You can. The other thing that's probably a little bit useful is you can chat to other members. All right. So you can do that. You can also record it. So if you want to, you could record the meeting. Okay. And just clip that. But the chat thing works here, where you simply go here, and if there were lots of other people in the room, you'd be able to select who you wanted to go to. But this one's going to everybody because I'm the only person on it. You type in your message, blah, 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 and hit send. And then it pops up, and so everybody can read it. But you might only want to send a message to somebody in particular. You can pick them out and just send them the message and have a little chat backwards and forth, a little private chat between them. You don't want to do too much of that because you'll miss out on what's going on in the meeting. All right, when you're ready to leave the meeting, all you do is press end. I should sort of also mention up here, if you've got a front-facing camera or rear-facing camera and you want to swap that around, you simply press that little camera button at the top there. This one just here. But when you're ready to end it, you just hit end. It will normally just say, because I've set up this meeting and I'm part of it, it gives me the option to end the meeting or leave the meeting. You will just have a leave the meeting option, so you'll leave it and it will go back to the Zoom screen. Now, another way to join the meeting, if you haven't got the link, is simply to click on join and then type in the meeting ID, which I think from memory is 6. All right, and that fat fingers, which is our meeting ID, and again it just plugs you in and loads the meeting straight away. So that's as hard as it is. Okay, your mic will be muted for you or unmuted for you when it's your chance to talk. Okay, let's go from there. All right, if you've got any questions, just give me a call. Thanks.